Hey, hello guys, welcome to Versatile Priya Lifestyle. Today we are going to see another interesting video, which is nothing but asparagus. So it's full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, which helps you keep stronger and younger, and it has a lot of vitamin E and K. So it also keeps your mood in a best way, like instead of getting stressed out, or like if you're mood out, or if you're very. If you guys see, I'm cutting the asparagus right now, so I just cut the end part, which is a little bit harder, and then go keep on chopping in a smaller portion, like however I'm doing it right now. Because of the high fiber, it detoxes and keeps the kidney stones away, and also it tries to maintain not creating any stones if we are eating continuously. So that's the best part of it. So today we are going to see one such a recipe in an instant pot. You guys can do this in a normal pressure cooker as well. So I am doing it in an instant pot today, and one advantage to do it in is just one pot, guys. No need to wash any other additional dishes in your dishwasher. So that's the best part of it today's. So let's get in. So once the pot is hot, we can start cooking. So now I just put it in a saute mode, so it just takes few seconds to start. And as I showed you guys, so it's on right now, so it's ready to put the oil and start cooking. And I already showed you guys how I cut the asparagus, so that's ready there. So then we can slowly see what I'm going to do. So I just took 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it right now, and then I'm going to put some tadka, you call it, like some mustard seeds, some jeera, so that those things I'm just showing you guys, like just 1 tablespoon of it should be good enough for it. And some hing if you guys want it, it's optional, but I didn't put it for this one, but it gives you nice flavor. If you guys like it, you can just go for it. And now I'm putting the red chilies. If you have green chilies, go for it. Nothing like that. And also some curry leaves if you guys. I was running out of it, so I did not put it. So yeah. Now I'm adding some onions to it. So until it turns like slightly brown, I'm just going to saute it. So once it's ready, and also 2 cloves of garlic, so I just chopped and then included along with the onions. So just slightly flavor, so it gives a nice flavor, the garlic flavor. I like it personally. If you guys don't like it, just omit that. That's fine, absolutely fine. So next, you can see I have asparagus ready. So I pre-washed it. So I'm just including it in the pot. So saute it for a couple of minutes, and then it should be good. So then slowly we can start adding the spices we need. So yeah, I'm just sauteing it for a few minutes. So if you guys see, I just need some turmeric, some salt, and then some pepper. Now I'm adding some turmeric. It's really good, guys. It also has high inflammatory properties in it, so it's definitely good for you guys. So as we all know, Asians, so yeah, most of the people, it's getting popular right now. So now I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, which is really good, guys. I'll talk in another video about how it's useful. Now I added also the pepper, because I like the pepper instead of chili powder. But if you guys like chili powder, I think you can opt that as well. So I personally like the pepper for it, so I just put some there and just saute it to make sure all the spices mixes and blends well in the asparagus. So now I'm adding some chana dal and tur dal to it. So I just need like minimum of tur dal, like maybe 2 tablespoons, and yeah, that should be good. And I need like a cup of chana dal. So that's the one. I'm just dropping it in the pot right now. So yeah, that should be good. And just saute for a few seconds, so to make sure it just blends when we cook. So yeah, we are ready. And now we need to add 5 cups of water, as we took in the chana dal, the same cup we can add 5 cups of water. So I'm just using my glass here, because I'm convenient that I know it's like 2 cups is equal to 1 glass, so that's what I do. So I just pour 5 cups of water in it, and then make sure I seal it, and then I go and opt for the bean one in the instant pot. If you guys have a different instant pot, like a different brand, you can just choose appropriately, like as you need, like you need to cook the chana dal and asparagus, so the option is as you guys know in your instant pot. So for me, I just chose the bean chili, so that's the best one for me for 30 under high pressure, so that should be good for me. And yeah, I wait for some time. Once it's done, I just transfer it to a bowl. Wow, it looks so yummy, guys, for me. I love it. And I just decorate it with some shredded coconut, and I love coconut in it. So if you guys don't like, you can just completely omit it. It's fine too. So but it gives a nice taste to the recipe, so that's the reason I use it. Completely 0 carbs, guys. This is mostly of high protein and potassium, because asparagus is full of potassium, and it's great to eat with brown rice, white rice, chapati, tortillas, puris, dosas, name it, guys. It's awesome. So very healthy and very tasty, yummy. So give it a shot, guys, and it's so super fast to prepare too, so definitely give it a try. And I hope you guys love this video. Like, share and comment as you guys know, and for more such videos, please subscribe. Bye, guys.